Hello grade 6 and welcome to our new lesson which is triangles. This is session 1. Triangles is lesson 12 in our book which is page 69. We have many objectives in our lesson which are to identify the parts of triangles, to draw triangles, calculate the angles in a triangle, to draw bisectors, heights, medians and perpendicular bisectors in a triangle, and to draw a circle around a triangle. What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed shape formed by straight lines. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides only. So let's discover what is a triangle. What is a triangle? We said that a triangle is a polygon that has, this is a triangle. It has 3 sides as you can see, 3 vertices and 3 angles. What are the 3 sides? The 3 sides are AB, AC and BC. We name the sides, they are segments by using brackets. What are the angles? A triangle has 3 angles which are angle A, angle B and angle C. How do we name angle B? It's A, B, C. We put B in the middle and put a cap. Let's name this angle. It's B, A, C. We put A in the middle and we put a cap. This angle is ACB or BCA. We put C in the middle and we put a cap. What are the vertices? The vertices is the word plural of the word vertex. This is vertex A, the point A. This is vertex B, the point B. This is vertex C, the point C. Now let's learn how to name a triangle. Triangles are named by their vertices. So this triangle can be named as triangle. As you can see, I put the symbol triangle ABC or triangle BCA or triangle CAB. We use the vertices to name the triangle. Now, look at the following figure. This is triangle LUI. Let's name each angle and the opposite side of it, starting with angle ULI. ULI means I'm talking about angle L. What is the opposite side of angle ULI? Opposite side, it means facing it. The opposite side is UI. So, the opposite side is a segment, it's UI. Okay, so L is the angle, its opposite side, UI. Let's talk about the second angle, which is LIU. LIU, it means I'm talking about angle I. What is the side facing angle I? It's LU, side LU. The last angle, which is IUL, I'm talking about angle U. What is the side facing angle U? The opposite of it, it's LI. So LI is the opposite side of LUI. Now let's talk about the kinds of triangles. Kinds or types of triangles. 1. Let's talk about the scalene triangle. Look at the figures below. It's very clear that I have different sides, different measure of angles, different length of sides, different measure of angles. So a scalene triangle has no equal sides and no equal angles and no right angle. This is a scalene triangle. Now look at the figures to discover isosceles triangle. Isosceles is from the word iso. Iso means two. Look at the figure below. It's very clear that I have two equal sides and two equal base angles. They are called base angles because they are adjacent to the base of the triangle, and this is called the main vertex. Okay? The isosceles triangle has a main vertex, has a base, it has also two equal sides and two equal base angles. So isosceles triangle, iso 2, it has two equal sides and two equal base angles. Now let's talk about right triangle. What do you see in the following figures? What do they have? They have right angle. Right angle of measure 90 degree. If a triangle has a right angle, it is called right triangle. This is a right triangle and this is a right triangle. You have to know that the longest side, which is opposite to the right angle, facing the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. Okay, it's called the hypotenuse, which is the longest side in a right triangle. So a right triangle has one right angle. Now let's talk about the equilateral triangle. Equilateral, it's same as equal. Look at the figures below. What do you think the equilateral triangle is? As you can see, an equilateral triangle has three equal sides. FE is equal to FG is equal to EG. Three equal sides. And it has three equal angles. As you can see here, the three equal angles are of measure 60 degree. Three equal angles, three equal sides. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has three equal sides and three equal angles of measure 60 degrees. The last kind of triangle, we are going to talk about the right isosceles triangle. Look at the figures below. What is a right isosceles triangle? It's right and isosceles. Right, it has a right angle. Isosceles, it has two equal sides and two equal base angle. Okay, so what is a right isosceles triangle? A right isosceles triangle take the properties of the right and isosceles triangles. So it has a right angle, 90 degree, two equal sides and two equal base angles, each of measure 45 degree. Right isosceles triangle, right isosceles. It has one right angle, isosceles, so it has two equal sides and two equal angles of measure 45 degrees. So these are the kinds of triangles. Scalene triangle, no equal sides, no equal angles. Isosceles triangle, two equal sides, two equal base angles. This is the base, this is the main vertex. Equilateral triangle, equal. It has three equal sides and three equal angles of measure 60 degrees. Right triangle. This is a right triangle. It has one right angle and this is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle. The longest side, it's the hypotenuse. The last one, which is the right isosceles triangle, right and isosceles. Right, it has a right angle and it has two equal sides and two equal angles, each of measure 45 degrees. Don't forget that the longest side, which is opposite to the right angle, it's called the hypotenuse. By this, we finished our session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.